So basically now, my people, the next thing we are going to work on is the string replication operator. So the string replicating operator, string string replication operator. So string replication operator, wetin this one mean is just times. No, it's just what it means is times. You know, if you use times in on float data types and integer data type, we call it multiplication operator. But if you use this multiplication operator among what's it called, string data type rep, it is called what? A replicating operator. So it is used, this what's it called, multiplication, this replicating operator in this operator is used for multiplication when it operates on two integer or floating point values. But when the replicating operator is used on one string value and one integer value, it becomes the string replication operator. So this is what we are saying in a nutshell. If you say now dog, if you say dog and you now say times, if you say times 5, then you have dog in 5 places. So we've replicated